Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the power. So, what do you mean by power? Power means rate of doing work. The rate of doing work is known as power. So, whenever we have to divide, we have this word rate. So, obviously, we have to divide it by time. So, power is equal to work done upon time. So the unit of the power is equal to watt always, and if we want to find the definition of 1 watt, then we have to take time as 1 second. If we will take time as 1 second, then power obtained is equal to 1 watt. So what will be the definition at that time? The definition will be 1 watt is the power of an agent which gives work at the rate of 1 joule per second. That means work done in 1 second is known as 1 watt. So 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. As we know, the unit of power is watt, but we have some bigger units of power also, like in example kilowatt. So we know the word kilo is always meant for the thousand. We have the relation as 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So these are the units of the power. Now coming to the next topic, what will be the commercial unit of power? So the commercial unit of power will be kilowatt hour. So this is the commercial unit of energy. The unit of energy is equal to kilowatt hour. Since energy means work done and power is equal to work done upon time, if we multiply power by time, so obviously we will get the work done. And if work done is the unit of energy, we told you that ability of doing work is known as energy. That means the commercial unit of energy can be kilowatt into hour, because we have the unit of power is kilowatt and unit of time is hour. When we multiply both of them, we will get the unit of energy, that is kilowatt hour. Now, how we will find the 1 kilowatt hour energy? So 1 kilowatt is the energy used for 1 hour. So 1 kilowatt means, I told you, 1000 watt, and 1 hour means how many seconds? We know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So when we multiply them, we will got here 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule. This will be the commercial unit of energy when, and 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit. As whenever your bill is coming, you are saying that the rate of that much rupees per unit. So kilowatt hour is generally is known as unit. 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. Now we will discuss about the energy transformation, how there is the energy transformation. So energy transformation, so here I am taking one example. Energy transformation means if their energy transfer from one form to another, this is known as energy transformation. Here we can see that electrical energy, if we are applying on this bulb, it will convert into light energy and bulb will glow. So here in this figure, electrical energy gets converted into light energy. In next example, the sunlight, because of the sunlight easily we can grow the crop, so light energy gets converted into chemical energy. Now we have another example here, electrical energy. Say we are cooking the food with the help of electrical energy, so we are using the power temperature of the we are giving the heatness with the help of electricity. So whenever we are talking about the temperature, this is your thermal energy. So electrical energy gets converted into thermal energy. Another example is chemical energy to mechanical energy. So we are giving the petrol or diesel to the our vehicle, and because of that we easily run. So here chemical energy gets converted into mechanical energy. So for today we will discuss till here only. Now we had completed this chapter. Now in my next class we will discuss some numericals. So thank you and God bless all of you.